All I can say is it's Thanksgiving morning as I'm making this video. How about that? That's some random cattage. Oh, you like that? I was looking at the fridge here. It's like a bunch of potatoes, unsalted butter. What have I had that for? Orange juice. Ooh, lemon meringue pie. It's like mixtures. Probably stuffing that's gonna go in here. Turkey. How about that? No glutton. What's they call young turkey? It says extra tender, juicy. It's like somebody needs. It's like the alcohol. It's like alcoholics need to go on a beer run. I don't drink old mill. I guess that's a refrigerator right there. I hope you enjoyed this video.